Jury, NASCAR, Pocono Raceway didn't cause harm in lightning death. Philadelphia, AP, a jury has ruled that a Pennsylvania racetrack didn't cause harm to a man killed by lightning minutes after an August 2012 NASCAR race was stopped. The Pocono Record reports the jury ruled in favor of Pocono Raceway and NASCAR on Monday, finding the racetrack negligent, but not a factual cause of any harm to Brian Zimmerman. Zimmerman was killed in the parking lot outside the main grandstands of the racetrack. The suit says the National Weather Service issued a severe thunderstorm warning at 4:12 p.m. The race was stopped at 4:54 p.m. and Zimmerman was killed about 5 minutes later. The racetrack sent out 2 tweets before he died advising fans to seek shelter. Zimmerman didn't have a smartphone. The racetrack didn't respond to requests for comment.